a lot about wanting to do infused bath products and kind of have people learn how to do it and kind of take some of the fear and anxiety of trying to make something like this yourself out.
And you are the queen of bath bombs.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm really excited. Bath bombs are really easy to make. They could be pretty intimidating, especially when using cannabis. So I have all my ingredients all prepared. What we need is 1 cup of citric acid and then 3 cups of baking soda. Well, start with your baking soda first.
Baking soda. So now we dump this in. Okay.
Yeah, dump it into your bowls. Okay, so the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to add, this is my cornstarch. What the cornstarch does is it actually makes it floaty. So this is what makes the bath bombs float.
Oh, clever.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix in the citric acid. So
the citric acid. Okay.
Yep, pop that in there. Give it a good stir. Make sure it's all incorporated. So I'm just going to add my polysorbate 80 here.
Oh, into a separate bowl?
Yeah, sure.
No, we already have it in a bowl.
Here's our cups of
Oh yeah, we have it in a bowl. We're smart that way, so.
So this is 3 tablespoons of polysorbate 80.
Yep. I would say we have that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add is my cannabis oil.
So how much oil do you add? Like, because if we add too much oil, then it might change the consistency, right?
It actually won't, because what we're going to do is we're going to supplement with some isopropyl alcohol. So I'll explain that in a minute, but let's add our oil, and you can add as much or as little oil as you want.
Okay.
There's a lot of like baking soda and citric acid mix, so we can add as much oil. I'm going to add the full 30 milliliters here.
Yeah, I have 30 milliliter store-bought oil as well.
Yeah, so I'm just going to add that in. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Now you're going to pour it very slowly, and you can either use your whisk or your spoon, or you can use your hand. Yeah, mix it in. Try to get all of the oil incorporated. If it didn't stick together like this, so it's supposed to be like a sand-like consistency.
Yeah.
You know, when you go to the beach and you grab a handful of wet sand, it'll break apart easily, but it's supposed to be a sand-like consistency.
How easy is it supposed to be to break apart?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
How does
It'll be okay to break apart a little bit. I would recommend for both of you to add a little bit of iso. So I'm just going to add a little bit, and the isopropyl is wet right now, but because it dries up really quickly,
Oh, there we go.
I'm going to move it to the side. Now, for molds, you can use anything for molds, but I like to use is these guys. Yeah, perfect. Oh, you guys got big ones. Okay. I got these little ones. So what you want to do is you want to press this into the mold, and you want to press it in pretty tight.
How tightly packed should this be? Like, should I be like?
You can get it in there, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this is a way of consumption where you don't feel that the head high, the euphoria.
Yeah.
It's a really great way of
Getting ready for bed.
There you go. Easy peasy bath bomb.
So that's it? They're done?
That's it. So what you're going to do is you're going to let these dry overnight in the mold. Or you can demold them. I would not demold them right now. I'd let them dry overnight.
Okay.
And then what you mold them tomorrow morning, and you'll have beautiful bath bombs.
So the nice thing is, and I was saying this to Shannon earlier, like we made a bunch of homemade oil stuff a while back, and this is a great thing to use your homemade oil for, because you're getting multi-use out of the plant. You don't have to necessarily run out and spend more money and buy a specific thing.
Yeah.
You do have to have an idea of what your contents are and how strong your oil is, but
if you're making them for yourself and you don't really you don't really care what contents are and you're not giving them away, then just use as little oil as you want, right? If you're making them for other people, it's better to tell them what the concentration is.
so, look at them.
Yeah, they're so cute.
They are very
Love
cute.
it. This is so great. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
Yeah, and sharing your beautiful bath bomb recipe, because like I said, these were the best. I have yet to find one that were as good as yours.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for sharing that with us.
You're welcome. Thank you guys for having me.